the question that is really begged when you think about global citizenship is, what is my responsibility to other people?
Global citizenship, you have to kind of break it down into the two words. There's global, meaning everything in the world, and there's also citizenship, which is this idea that you have a responsibility not just to yourself but to your community and to the people around you. In the 21st century, it's hugely important that we teach our students, our girls here at Hamlin, that the world is a smaller place and that there are shared opportunities and shared problems that they need to be thinking about. Some of these problems revolve around things like social justice issues, environmental stewardship, global awareness, global communication, and also, of course, understanding who you are and the fabric of your life and the lives of others through identity formation. So when you look at things like social justice or environmental stewardship, for example, you want to look at something, as an individual, but you also want to think about it in terms of the school, in terms of the region, in terms of the nation, and also in terms of the world at large. Being able to see the importance of taking action and being able to address those problems with things that are, with tools that they're able to use, whether that's a letter writing campaign, whether it's an art project, whether it's, connecting with another group of students from another country to be able to sort of think about the same issue. These are all part of what it means, for a student to be a global citizen at the Hamlin School.
My name is Maddie, and I think global citizenship means that you care about the world, but you also are eager to learn about the world as well.
Global citizenship is how you interact with the world.
Helping people with whatever they need. Learning about other people and learning about their culture and things that they like and their hobbies.
You know and care about around the world and problems that other places are having.
Global citizenship is being an active member of society.
To me, global citizenship means that we're all just part of one big world and we have to work together to solve problems.
Being a part of the world.
Do I need to have a consciousness that's larger than my own needs? And I think the answer to that question is yes. The Hamlin mission calls for girls to meet the challenges of their time. And certainly I think that the challenges extend far beyond the individual. We have systemic changes that need to be made. There's poverty, sexism, and people who still believe that girls shouldn't be educated. We have people who believe that people of color shouldn't be included in communities all over the world. And the impulse to care, and not just to care, but to do something about it, to alleviate people's suffering, to alleviate some of the things that really plague all of humanity. I think that's what being a global citizen means. It means to be mindful, it means to be aware, but it also means to act. I think that feeling is not as important as doing. We have to have feeling plus doing, and that means citizenship. Because it's not just what can I do for someone, but I think ultimately a citizen is someone who gains as much as he or she gives.